The Mediplus S-Cath system is designed to provide safer and more precise suprapubic catheterization. The S-Cath system uses seldinger technique and is supplied as a complete cost-effective kit. The kit contains a patented 3-stage guide wire which reduces the risk of bladder wall injury. The catheters with open and closed tip options are manufactured from 100% silicon. The open tip conveniently allows for catheter exchange over a guide wire. All catheters have a radiopaque line to confirm placement. A fully integrated catheter balloon is ergonomically designed for uniform inflation, prevention of cuffing, minimizing patient discomfort, and easy insertion and removal. Another benefit of the S-Cath system is the sheath dilator. Only 2 French sizes larger than the catheter, this gives more control and reduces the risk of trauma. The insertion technique of the S-Cath system enables suprapubic catheterization to be performed in an outpatient setting and access to the bladder to be maintained. The insertion technique also allows greater control, accuracy, and ease of use. S-Cath system is a complete cost-effective kit comprising guide wire, sheath dilator, 100% silicone catheter, needle, scalpel, 2 syringes. If you would like to know more, contact us at mediplusuk.com.